Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very refreshing eggnog lemonade that I know you guys are going to love. It's a copycat of La Michoacana. It is perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. To prepare this amazing eggnog, refreshing water, copycat of La Michoacana, these are the ingredients. I have concentrate, color, and flavor of eggnog, granulated sugar, evaporated sugar, condensed milk, water, whipping cream, of course, the eggnog or rompope, and ice. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing, creamy, refreshing copycat eggnog, La Michoacana. So let's get started. I want to start here by making my simple syrup, and I'm going to use 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of water. We take it to the stove, and when it becomes nice and clear, that means that the syrup is done. We're going to turn off the stove and we're going to let it rest so it will come to room temperature. And here I have a glass bowl where I'm going to start adding all my ingredients. I'm going to start first with my simple syrup, and I'm just adding a splash in there. Remember that the simple syrup is to taste. And here I am going to continue adding my condensed milk, and of course I'm not going to leave anything behind. If you are here and you are watching this video of this amazing agua fresca, I invite you to subscribe so that you can enjoy my amazing agua frescas. And here I have my evaporated milk. I am going to continue by adding the heavy whipping cream directly into it. And now I am ready to just whisk and combine everything in here, making sure that there is no lumps. Once this is done, I'm just going to taste it to see if I need to add a little more of the simple syrup. Remember, it's nice and hot. Let's enjoy this amazing agua fresca. I have the concentrate of eggnog, and I am going to add 2 tablespoons. The smell of the eggnog is just amazing. And here I'm just going to incorporate it. Once this is done, I am going to use the same can of the evaporated milk, and I'm going to fill it with the rompope or with your eggnog. I'm going to fill it all the way to the top because this is what's going to give this amazing agua fresca an amazing flavor. Like I said, if you are here, I invite you to subscribe so that you become one of my family members. Look at this. Let's add everything in here to give it that amazing color, the yellow color. I am going to add a little bit of food coloring, yellow. If you don't want to add any food coloring, don't add it. But to tell you the truth, it really makes a lot of difference. It looks very appetizing, and I know that you guys are really going to love this amazing agua fresca of eggnog. Look at this. The color came out perfect, nice and yellow, and of course the flavor of the eggnog nice and concentrated. Well, here I am completely done making this amazing mixture of the eggnog and all the delicious flavors. And now I am ready to taste it and to show you from close up how creamy this is. Look at this. I want to show you how creamy, and I use half of that bottle. Look, the color looks amazing. and it's nice and creamy. Look at this. This is exactly how you want it. You really want to enjoy it just like that. Of course, you add a lot of ice and then just refresh yourself with Cooking with Gloria. Look at this. Now I'm ready. I have my pitcher here. I am going to add a lot of ice because, to tell you the truth, it's nice and hot here in California. And this is the best way to refresh yourself with an amazing agua fresca made at home, especially if it's eggnog flavor. And now I am ready to pour the amazing agua fresca into all this ice. I am sure that once you make this amazing agua fresca, you are really going to enjoy it this summer. You're really going to enjoy it with all your loved ones. The color came out perfect. And now I am ready for the presentation. I can't wait to enjoy it and refresh myself with this amazing eggnog lemonade. Look at this. I'll see you in just a little bit. Perfection made at home. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing copycat eggnog refreshing water. Nice and creamy, nice and delicious, perfect for this hot weather. But this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. Nice and creamy. The flavor of the eggnog or rompope, perfection made at home. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. You enjoy this amazing and refreshing lemonade with Cooking with Gloria. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.